Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage quick switch weapons in one's human. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, navigate to mouse and display, select gameplay, scroll down and look for quick switch weapon. There's quick switch weapon point scrolling, and we can enable or disable it. What it does: when it's on, scroll to switch only between weapon 1 and 2. When it's off, scroll to switch between weapon 1, 2 and 3. There's also quick switch weapon on its own, and when it's on, when weapon from quick use slots 1 or 2 is equipped, press either 1 or 2 to toggle between the first two weapon slots. When it's off, you can only switch weapons when the corresponding weapon shortcut key is pressed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.